What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World Velocicoaster construction update. Let's go! Rumored Universal Studios store, seeing a lot of work, as we can now see some tarps overhanging right here. Still have that beam that sticks out, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. The Lighthouse. That's right, we're here at Islands of Adventure, and Florida winter is back. It's somewhere in the low 70s, pretty windy and breezy today. Crowds, not so bad. Ticket windows over here, not much of a wait at all. Turnstiles on the left are closed today. Usually they're open, but the ones on the right are open and not much of a wait. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance. We are on our way. Wait times, and let's see what's going on here at the park. It's open until 6. Hulk right now, 25 minutes, 45 minutes for Spider-Man, Dr. Doom, 15 minutes, P-Flyers, 25 minutes, Flight of the Hippogriff, 10 minutes, 30 minutes for Seuss Trolley, Hogwarts Express, 15 minutes, Cat in the Hat, 15 minutes. Next page, we can see Popeye and Bluto's 5 minutes, same with Dudley Do Rides and Jurassic Park River Adventure Forbidden Journey at 10 minutes. It's a little cooler today. Not too uncommon to have the water rides a little less of a wait. There it is, the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. No cranes in the air from what I can see right now. We do have the Osprey up at the very top of the top hat. Lots of landscaping right here at the waterfront, and it looks great. There's the Osprey. The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man still has work walls out right here in the front area. Still not sure what they're doing other than possibly some painting, but the attraction is open and only a 15-minute wait today. Side panels are up around the outdoor queue. And this area right here doesn't have all the panels on, but right at the top of the roof, well, we can see it's almost like transparent, so you're going to be able to look up to the top hat. And it appears the Osprey nest that was at the top of the top hat has been removed once again. Railing is now up along the evacuation stairs. Camp Jurassic, and after many months, well, the skeleton here finally got some paint to complete everything. Looks good. Jurassic Park River Adventure and the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. Lots of plants and trees all over the place. Netting and lighting. Lighting has been doing some tests during the daytime. I just want to see it at night. Yes, everything on this end looking pretty good. Looks like the fence line is just about done, and right over here, a new HUD has appeared. Scaffolding is down once again around the dive loop. Projection mapping is on Hogwarts Castle again, and just look at that moon right behind it. Hogsmeade is looking beautiful. No! It's too dark for the Velocifishies. Where are you guys? I know you're here somewhere. And of course, Seuss Landing looking awesome. Love that all the lights are on. Well, that was pretty cool. We had a chance to see several test runs for the Velocicoaster, and all the music is off now. This is really kind of weird feeling. I don't think anybody's in the park. Normally security does a sweep and park's dead. Weird. Alright, I'm legitimately thinking I got locked inside the park. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. We finally saw some test runs and a bunch of stuff going on. Good stuff. Of course, we're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.